My name is Dominique and I would like to welcome you on set for the filming of a new and very special Sencor product, the Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Robot Vacuum Cleaner is an extremely intelligent and sophisticated product with inbuilt laser navigation. So it's a real challenge for us to present not only the beauty, but also the high-tech aspects of this product. On set, we have to actually choreograph and program 2 robots. Why 2 robots? Because one robot is moving our camera and the other robot is an expert at cleaning our floors. Both of them are in movement. We need to present the incredible amount of functions and capabilities of the Robot Vacuum Cleaner in a very realistic home environment. We don't use any tricks or animation. It's not necessary. We just follow the Robot Vacuum Cleaner as it goes about its work. As you know, actions speak louder than words. Judge for yourself whether we've done the Robot Vacuum Cleaner justice. Maybe next time, robots will shoot the ad for the new Sencor product without us.